Sometimes we need to send an email at a specific time, but we get busy and our email is delayed. How good would it be if we can schedule an email with date and time and it automatically delivered at a particular time and reach the sender? Don't worry, it's quite possible. Stick around, I'll show you how. First, you will open Google Chrome, then you will click on the Gmail. After clicking it, you need to simply click on Compose as you do usually. Then you need to write the sender's address. For example, I'm typing one sender address. So after writing the sender address, you need to simply type the subject, checking schedule email. Now, for example, this is my email, for example, and I have written it. You can do the attachment also here. Now, if I click on this send button here, so simply the email will be sent. But if I want to schedule it for later on, what I need to do, I need to click on this. You can see this down arrow here. So just click on this and you can see this new option, schedule send. So just click on this. After you click this, then they are giving you three options: tomorrow morning, 8 a.m., this afternoon. But since we want to give the customized time, for example, I want to send this email tomorrow at 10 o'clock in the morning, and maybe I forget tomorrow, so I'm scheduling right now, and it's an important email. So, and maybe sometimes you want to send email, and at that particular time you are busy or you are sleeping or there is any other thing. So you will click here, pick date and time. Now, I want to send this email tomorrow, so I'll click on first, and then since I told you the time should be 10, so make sure to write the time in correct format. So 10 a.m. will be the time, and then I'll click on schedule send. And now you can see here send schedule for tomorrow 10 a.m. Now if I want to, for example, if I want to edit this message later on I realize that I have missed something and you want to edit it also. So that is also possible. Don't worry. You can see here on the left side, these are the categories. You can see here schedule. So you can schedule as many messages as you want, emails. So just click on this. You can see here that there is an email. So simply you need to click on this and click on cancel send and click on cancel send. After you click on cancel send, it will not cancel the email, but it will allow you to edit. So now, for example, I want to add. So you see I have added a text here. So now I will click again on this and then again click on schedule send, and then you can see that my last scheduled time is also there. So now I don't need to click here. I'll just click on this and now my message is scheduled again, and I can also click on view message to see what message I have typed. So this is how easily you can schedule a message, and you can schedule an email, and it refrain you from the hassle of sending it at certain particular time, and it's very handy. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If it is, give it a like, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to share with others so they may benefit also. Take care. Bye.